Hey guys, it's Dr. Andrew See here. In this video, I'm going to share a case that goes against the grain of recent trends that you see in social media, specifically around the decision to extract a tooth with moderate to severe bone loss and replacing it with a dental implant. Instead, I'm bucking the trend and looking to keep the tooth and regenerate the bone so that the patient can possibly keep it for the rest of their lives.
Five minutes later.
So after 1 year, what do we have? As you can see from the OPG, we've successfully regenerated the bone and preserved this tooth. At the 1 year review, probing depths are all less than 3 millimeters around the 47. The patient and clinician can clean this tooth.
Wow, it's only two. How can